hei. Senang main sepeda, hei.
Yes.
Kenapa senang sepeda? Kenapa senang main sepeda?
Because it's fun and it's going to be healthy and going to be energized.
Hei, hei.
Bye-bye.
Bentar, sini lagi, Aduh, kabur. Please, aduh. Gak bisa, Owi, please. Hup. Owi bisa ngebut.
Yes.
Kenapa bisa ngebut, Owi?
Because of this. Because of this wheel.
Pernah, sini. Pernah jatuh nggak?
No, I never. Wait.
Kenapa?
I have. I have.
Berapa kali pernah jatuh?
Like 7 times.
Sakit nggak?
No.
Tapi kalau udah jatuh nyesel nggak? Atau tetap aja main sepeda resep?
Still going to be playing with a bicycle.
Ini sepeda punya siapa?
My big brother.
Sebentar atuh, mau nanya dulu. Mau jadi pembalap nggak?
No.
Kenapa?